You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from Italian. If you want to learn more vocabulary from music, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Acapella is the English pronunciation. It's normally spelled with two words. A cappella is the Italian pronunciation. A cappella in English, the pronunciation. Acapella, acapella. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.